and welcome to today's guided affirmation meditation. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Inhaling love, exhaling doubt. Inhaling clarity, exhaling fear. And as you continue to breathe deep, inhaling life, exhaling into expansion, creating space within. Let your body sink into a deep state of open relaxation. As you breathe in, setting the intention to receive. And as you exhale, allowing yourself to open to your dreams. Every breath you take, expanding deeper into all that you are. As you envision a beautiful white light beaming throughout your body, growing bigger and bigger until it fully surrounds you. This beautiful, powerful ball of white light energy creates a portal around you. Continuing to breathe into this present moment magic. Repeat after me. I am love. I am wealth. I easily attract all the desires of my heart. I am in alignment with my divine will. I am capable of anything I set my heart to. Money flows to me with ease. Money loves me. I am worthy here and now. I welcome in miracles as easily as I breathe in air. I am healthy and vibrant. I shine bright like a diamond. I am grateful for my vessel and all it provides for my existence now. I am open to pleasure and fun. I embody my divinity. I shine like the sun. I am confident in my abilities. I am courageous. I boldly surrender to all that is meant for me here and now. I am aligned with my inner power. I am in harmony with the universe. I flow, flow, flow. My energy magnetizes all I desire. I am limitless. I manifest my desires with ease and grace. I smile big with divine embrace. I am here. I am now. I breathe in pleasure, joy, in alignment with my eternal knowing. I embrace all life offers me. I am open to life happening through me, and I openly receive all that is meant for me. Breathing in, allowing yourself to sink into deep gratitude for all that is here and present now, as you fully embody your worth and your divinity. Know that you are loved as you move through this day in alignment with your highest good. Amen.